Seamlessly deploying your React application with AWS Elastic Beanstalk, a comprehensive guide. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction to AWS Elastic Beanstalk. AWS Elastic Beanstalk is a platform as a service (PaaS) offering from Amazon Web Services (AWS) that simplifies deploying and managing applications. It abstracts away the underlying infrastructure, allowing developers to focus on writing code rather than managing servers. Elastic Beanstalk supports various programming languages and frameworks, providing a scalable and managed application environment. Benefits of using Elastic Beanstalk. Ease of deployment. Elastic Beanstalk automates the deployment process, allowing developers to deploy applications with minimal manual intervention. Simply upload your code, and Elastic Beanstalk handles the deployment, including provisioning, load balancing, and scaling. Automatic scaling. Elastic Beanstalk can automatically scale your application based on traffic demands. It adjusts the number of instances running your application to ensure it remains performant during peak and off-peak times. Managed environment. Elastic Beanstalk manages your infrastructure and application environment, including updates and patching. This reduces the administrative overhead associated with managing servers and networking. Integration with AWS services. Elastic Beanstalk integrates seamlessly with other AWS services like RDS, S3, and CloudWatch, allowing you to leverage AWS's robust ecosystem to enhance your application's functionality. Customizable configurations. Configuration files allow you to customize the underlying infrastructure, allowing for more granular control over the environment settings. Languages supported by Elastic Beanstalk. AWS Elastic Beanstalk supports several programming languages and frameworks including Java, .NET, Node.js, Python, Ruby, PHP, Go, Docker. This broad support allows developers to deploy applications built with their preferred technology stack, without worrying about compatibility issues. Services used by Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk leverages a variety of AWS services to provide a fully managed environment. EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud. This is used to run the application servers. ELB, Elastic Load Balancing, for distributing incoming traffic across multiple instances. Auto-scaling. This is used to adjust the number of cases based on demand. RDS, Relational Database Service, for managing databases if needed. S3, Simple Storage Service. This stores application assets and backups. CloudWatch. This is for monitoring and logging application performance. Architectural patterns of Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk supports several architectural patterns to accommodate different application needs. Single instance deployment. Suitable for development or testing environments where a single EC2 instance hosts the application. Load balance deployment. This method is used in production environments, where multiple EC2 instances are managed behind a load balancer to handle high traffic and ensure high availability. Worker environment. This environment is designed for applications that perform background processing tasks, where workers handle asynchronous jobs outside the main application. Types of environments in Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk offers two main types of environments. Web server environment. This is for applications that handle HTTP requests, such as front-end React applications. This environment includes a load balancer and a fleet of EC2 instances to handle incoming web traffic. Worker environment. This environment is suited for background processing tasks that do not directly handle web requests. It is also suited for applications that process messages from a queue or perform other asynchronous tasks. Walkthrough of deploying a React application. Here's a step-by-step guide to deploying a front-end React application using AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Prepare your React application. Run an npm run build to ensure your React app is production-ready. This will generate a build directory with static assets. Create an Elastic Beanstalk application. Sign in to the AWS Management Console and navigate to Elastic Beanstalk. Click Create a new application and provide a name and description. Create a new environment. Choose Create a new environment and select Web Server environment. Choose a platform compatible with static site deployment, for example, Node.js. Upload your application. Package your React application's build directory into a zip file. Upload the zip file to Elastic Beanstalk through the console or AWS CLI. Configure environment settings. Set environment variables, adjust scaling options, and configure logging settings. Deploy and monitor. Deploy your application and monitor its status through the Elastic Beanstalk console. Use CloudWatch to keep track of performance metrics and logs. Update and maintain. To deploy updates, simply upload the new build package and redeploy. Elastic Beanstalk handles the update process, ensuring minimal downtime. Conclusion. Deploying a front-end React application with AWS Elastic Beanstalk simplifies the deployment process and provides a managed environment with built-in scalability, monitoring, and integration with other AWS services. By leveraging Elastic Beanstalk, developers can focus on building and enhancing their applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.